In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to try Hostinger's website builder for free in 2025. Whether you're looking to create a personal blog, an online portfolio, or a full-fledged e-commerce site, Hostinger offers a range of tools to help you build your website quickly. Let's dive in and explore how you can try out this powerful website builder. First, open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger homepage. This is where your journey begins. On the homepage, you'll find plenty of information about Hostinger's offerings, from hosting solutions to the website builder that we'll be exploring today. Next, look for the option to edit your website. This is an incredibly user-friendly feature that allows you to modify your site effortlessly. It's part of what makes Hostinger a great choice for both beginners and seasoned web developers. Once you're in the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The tools and elements sections are particularly important. Click on Elements to access the building blocks of your new website. With a simple drag-and-drop system, you can add various components such as text, images, and videos. Not only is this intuitive, but it also allows a degree of customization that ensures your website will be unique to you. After exploring the elements, turn your attention to the option to add more elements. This is where you can get creative, selecting from a host of options to enrich your site's functionality and appearance. When you've added the elements that suit your needs, it's time to check out the Pages section. Managing your pages here is straightforward, whether you're adding new content or tweaking existing ones. Moving on to Styles, this is where you can really let your design skills shine. Here you can modify the overall appearance of your website, selecting color schemes and layout styles that align with your brand or personal aesthetic. Further personalization options are available in the Fonts section. Take the time to choose fonts that complement the style of your site while ensuring readability for your visitors. The Buttons section allows you to create interactive elements designed to guide users seamlessly through your site. Whether it's a call to action or a simple navigation tool, buttons are crucial for a polished experience. Additionally, animations can add a dynamic flair to your site, helping to draw attention to key areas and keeping visitors engaged. For those interested in cutting-edge technology, Hostinger offers AI tools that can significantly streamline your site creation process. Explore these features to see how artificial intelligence can aid in building intelligent and responsive websites. If you're looking to add a blog or an online store, the Blog and Store sections offer dedicated solutions for content management and e-commerce respectively. Finally, explore the More section for additional features and settings that might meet your specific needs. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a beautiful, functional website with Hostinger's free website builder. Enjoy the journey of bringing your digital project to life.